Hi, this is Ricardo Daniel Hernandez with Merced Window Cleaning, and today we are doing a driveway pressure washing. And here Mackenzie is spraying just water to the plant because we use a soap, and we just want to make sure the landscape is safe. All the edges are watered first, and then we are going to treat this driveway with our soft wash solution. That way it kills any spores of fungus, the algae, and then with the pressure it comes out great. So here you can see it really needs. David already did this backside and it's using the surface cleaner. So what Mackenzie is doing right now is doing the soft wash treatment that helps killing the mildew and the algae from the concrete. It's already been treated and it's almost gone. Alright, so after the soft wash treatment, we connected our surface cleaners, and as you can see, it looks a lot better. It's just a bunch of soil and dead algae and mildew coming up. David finished the backyard, which looks great already, and he's helping us here to finish up with the driveway. Alright, so we are done with the concrete cleaning. As you can see, it looks 100% better already without all the algae and mildew. We're just putting away all as it was, and we will go continue with a gutter and window cleaning job in Merced. So yeah, if you have any questions about concrete cleaning, driveway, patios, just let us know. Send us an email or call us at 209-500-9441. Thank you.